Today I'm doing a short video about my Heybike Cityscape camera mount. It's a do-it-yourself camera mount that you can see on the front of the bike here. And I'm going to move in on it here to show you exactly what it is and how I came up with this idea. This is mounted. This is a common sink trap. If you look under your sink, you'll see one. An extender pipe up top here. It attaches with a simple screw on. And of course it goes around, there's your trap. And it comes up and it mounts to the bike with two hose clamps mounted to the basket mount. Now, how I did this is I used some fiberglass body fill. It has the hardener. I filled this part of the tube and I stuck a wooden dowling down into here, and it holds that very tight. And of course that dowling is going to mount with two hose clamps right to the basket mount. Of course I painted this black. It's a little bit nicked up. For some added stability, I hose clamped a piece of wood that I cut, and I used two screws. You have to pre-drill your holes. I'll try to get in on that right there. And that is mounted with two screws to the dowling down here, as you can see. And what that does is it gives it a little more stability here and keeps this from vibrating around. And then I filled the tube with plaster of Paris, and that also gives it a little bit more rigidity. It's rigid, and it'll keep that more stable, because the plastic alone was vibrating a little bit too much as I was riding. So that took care of most of the vibrations from that. So once again, you've got a simple sink trap with an extender tube, and the camera holder. I'm using the camera right now. To give you an idea, this pops right out of here. It's a simple cup holder idea here if you take a look. And I can pop that right in there, like so, and take it out really easily if I want to take videos, step off the bike, maybe take some scenic videos somewhere. And if I'm sitting on the bike, I can pan very easily just by reaching out and turning to the right or to the left or straight ahead. Again, you can pop that out real quick if you want. Hop off the bike, walk around, take some videos, pop it back on there, and you're good to go. I did have to cut right here with a hacksaw in order to get that to fit in there. The hole was a little bit too small, but that works real nice. It stays in there really well. It doesn't go anywhere. So this is your simple sink trap camera mount. How it would work on most any bike, I'm not sure, but it works very well for the Heybike Cityscape bike that I'm using. Give you one more look at it. There's the two hose clamps, wooden dowling, piece of wood, hose clamped to the extender pipe, camera handle mount. It's in there, very simple. And I painted it black. One of the only issues I'm having that I should mention, because the suspension, this does come down and it does hit on occasion. It hits the headlight. So there's an adjustment I'm going to have to make in the future on that, either to move the headlight of the bike or come up with a modification, maybe to get rid of the dip in the sink trap. But for now, and probably for the future, it's going to work fine until I come up with something better. So I'll back out again, and there is the makeshift do-it-yourself sink trap camera mount. And I want to thank iScoot for inquiring about this, and I hope whatever idea he comes up with, it works out well. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe. I've only got 10 subscribers. Looking for that number 11. Thank you very much. I'll catch you later.